Yo, welcome to my channel. Today we got a windshield. A customer brought this to me to remove what some of you call acid rain. I call it soap scum, lime scales, or calcium deposits. Well, whatever it is, I'm going to show you how to get it off. As you can see, I will be using my steel wool on this window. I just sprayed some window cleaner over top of it. And right here, as you see, this is the steel wool I'll be using, rated at 000. This is real fine steel wool. It won't scratch the windshield. As you can see, the steel wool did remove the soap scum. This is not rain acid. Some of y'all call it rain acid. This is soap scum that you leave on your windows with that hard water. As you can see, it looks good. I zoomed out so you can see a little better. Zooming back in, that is lint right there. This is the old stuff that's soap scum that's on there I removed. If you like content like this, please like.